Eric Bridges again, and thank you so much for coming to my page. Guys, I'm sorry. It's just funny because, like, I came up with the name where I'm going to be calling the group. It's called Matic Squad. Now, you might hear me reference to you guys as Dogmatic, but, you know, that's shortened as Matic as far as from my name that I use on Twitter, Xbox account, and everything like that. You know, so Matic Squad, that's what we're going with. I took everybody's answer respectfully into consideration, especially King, man. Onion Slayers. Like, my kids even had fun with that, yo. So, yo, that was a good answer. You know, everybody that responded had good answers. So, Matic Squad, check this out. What do you guys think about the new photo in regards to Batman? Now, you guys saw the trailer. Remember when he was in this, it looks like the desert where he was fighting? Check out this photo, guys. It's awesome. I love it. Ben Affleck, that is Batman. I'm telling you guys right now. But also, if you guys remember when Bruce Wayne got the envelope and he opened it up and it showed the devastation of the Wayne Tower falling, and when he looked down, you know, you had your family killed, you know, and he went to look down and he looked up and it looks like he was pissed. But guys, do you guys think that's Jason Todd that sent him that message? Oh my God, that will be awesome to set up for Batman's standalone movie. Now, I could be wrong. Now, there's no wrong answers here, but I could be wrong. It could be the Joker. But for now, I want to stick with Jason Todd. But also, what do you guys think? Now, let me rephrase that. I had got a message from James Cresswell as well, so shout out to James Cresswell. You know, did I see the leaks in regards to the Suicide Squad trailer? Now, I started to watch it, but I had to stop myself because it just started to get too excited, and I wanted to wait until it was officially released. So that's why I didn't respond to anything in regards to making a video in regards to the Suicide Squad. So, Matic Squad, post your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. And if you're new here, join me on my journey to reach 1,000 subscribers. You guys have a good day. Be blessed. Peace.